Problem 66. A car dealership is having a sale where all cars have a 12% discount. What is the discounted price of a car that originally cost $15,600? Here's the problem. A car originally costs $15,600 and the dealership is giving a 12% discount. So we need to figure out what the discounted price is after applying that 12% reduction. Discount amount equals original price times discount percentage. Step 1 is finding the discount amount. To do this, we multiply the original price by the discount percentage. Since the car costs $15,600, we multiply that by 12%. Now remember, to multiply by a percentage, we convert it to a decimal. So 12% becomes 0.12. Let's do the math. $15,600 times 0.12 equals $1,872. So discount amount equals $1,872. Last step, subtract from $15,600 $1,872. That is equal $13,728. Answer is E.